There's a monkey in the jungle, watching a baby trail, caught up in the conflict between his brain and his tail.
Finishing off the sound effects for the 192000 video, and there's a bit where the moose sneezes. Damon has said he wants to do the sneeze, so the whole thing's been put back a day until he gets back from Devon, just so he can do a sneeze. The whole job has been shifted back and will be delivered a day late. A day late, just so Damon can come back from Devon and do a sneeze. I don't know what he's got planned, but it must be a pretty bloody good sneeze.